Hi everyone, Aviva Engel here again from Ulpan Aviva with another video. This time it's a follow-up video for a video that I've already posted on when and how do you use the article et. So let's recap what we saw in the other video, and if you haven't seen it, I urge you to go back and watch it before you watch this one. So a quick recap, when do we use et? The first rule is that et only comes between a verb and a specific noun. What constitutes a specific noun? You'll have to watch one of my other videos. And the other rule is, as long as there is no other preposition that goes with that specific verb. There are some verbs that have specific prepositions that go with them. So if there's no other preposition, then you would use et. In order to illustrate this, I would like to share with you a little children's song. This is a very famous Israeli song. It's called Ani Ohev Shokolad. Even from the title, you can see you've got the verb ohev, but there is no et after ohev because shokolad is just a general term. I like chocolate, any kind of chocolate. Further on in the song, you'll see that the child loves all sorts of things, specific and unspecific. And I like using this song because it only really has one verb in it, and then it's easier to focus on the nouns, whether they are specific or not. So let's start.
אני אוהב שוקולד ועוגות גבינה וארטיק וסוכריות ותות גינה.
אני אוהבת ימי הולדת ושקיות עם דברים טובים.
Okay, so far there's been a list of things that the child likes, the male and the female, and they're just general. Chocolate, birthdays, goodie bags. But now, on the next part of the song, you see that suddenly we're coming up to specific things.
ואת השמש ואת הירח.
ואת השמש ואת הירח. Okay, the verb is ohev. It's implied because it's part of the song. And this time it's et hashemesh et hayarech because it's specific, the sun and the moon. The next sentence is going to be listing all the four seasons, and they're specific. So you have the sentence Ani ohev et hachoref ve'et hakaitz, which you'll see in a minute. Notice, by the way, that if you're making a list of things that you like and they are all specific, you will put et in front of each one of them. There's not one et for all, but et for each specific one.
אני אוהב את החורף ואת הקיץ ואת הסתיו ואת האביב ואת מה שעכשיו אני אוהב את גליל.
Okay, here the child is now saying about a girl that he likes in school. And because galit is a real noun, in English we would write it with a capital G, galit. So again we have et, because galit being a real noun is something specific, and therefore between the verb and the specific noun we will have et. Okay, another example of a specific noun. There's a bunch of other girls that the child likes in school. He likes, but he doesn't know their names. So he likes that one with the freckles and that one with the dimples. And again, because zot is indicating a specific noun, you would have et in front of it.
אני אוהב את אמא ואת אבא גם.
אני אוהב את אמא ואת אבא גם. I love mom and dad as well. Ima, as far as the child is concerned, is a real noun. And that's why there's no need for the hey, but if you were to write mummy in English, you would write it with a capital, or the same for daddy, because for the child, Ima and Abba are proper nouns.
ואת שולה הגננת ואת הדודה מרים אני אוהב את סבא ואת סבתא.
Okay, Same applies to Saba and Safta. As far as the child is concerned, grandma and grandpa are proper nouns because that is how he would call them. He wouldn't call them by their first name. But if you were speaking about some other grandma and grandpa, you would put et ha-saba ve'et ha-safta.
אני אוהב את אחותי.
Achoti, the E here at the end, indicates that it's my sister. And anything that we know the owner of, mine, his, hers, is again specific. Why do we say achoti and not ha'achot sheli? That's in another video which I'll be posting in the future.
אבל הכי הכי הרבה אני אוהב אותי.
Oti actually, I love me, I love myself. Oti is a conjugation of the preposition et. And again, join me for another lesson learning all the conjugations of et when you want to make them specific. Me, him, her, etc. So oti is me.
La 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 אני אוהב את החורף ואת הקיץ ואת הסתיו ואת האביב ואת מה שעכשיו אני אוהב את גליל בעיקר עם צמות ואת זאת עם הנמשים ואת זאת עם הגומות אני אוהב שוקולד ועוגות מן השוקולד וארטיק וסוכריות ועוגות הסוכריות אני אוהב דשי הולדת וסוכריות וסוכריות ושמש בירח
I have here the lyrics of the song with English translations and highlighted verbs and nouns, specific and non-specific. And you can see obviously that in the Hebrew side, there's lots of yellow, which is indicating the et, whereas in the English, it doesn't exist because et does not exist in English. I hope this was useful. Join me for some more fantastic content on my YouTube channel or on Facebook. I'm also leaving details here for my Ulpan. Scan the barcode if you want to sign up for the Ulpan this September. And hurry, there's an early bird price if you sign up quickly. And I hope to see you there.